Hi, this is Amber from the A-Team. We're going to talk about using a Chrome extension called Mercury Reader for differentiating instruction. Particularly when you're using websites or articles, this is a great tool. So I have an article here about grizzly bears, and you'll notice there's a lot of advertisements, a lot of different things on the page that can be distractors. So one of the things I would teach my students how to use is the Mercury Reader extension. Once it's installed, when you click on it, what it does is it takes the page in the same tab and it turns it into what looks like a PDF. So you'll notice the links came over, but all of those adverts that were around the corner, those are gone. Also, there are some extra tools that are in the settings options. If you click on the settings options, you can change the text size. So if you need it to be larger, you can change it to large. You can also change your typography from serif to a sans serif font if that's easier on the eyes for you, as well as changing from a light theme to a dark theme. So if you have students who need articles at particular sizes or in certain fonts or in a light or dark format, these are excellent ways that you can view an article, strip out the advertisements, and really have a clean looking material to read. So this is a great way you can differentiate your instruction using Mercury Reader.